What kind of strategies do you put in place when it comes to job seeking? Now, this is a topic we're going to be looking into today. We're going to look at 5 job search strategies to increase your chances of getting hired. The first one being having a strong online LinkedIn presence. Now, this is usually crucial because recruiters use LinkedIn for headhunting. But what a lot of candidates aren't fully aware is that not everyone thinks LinkedIn is a necessity, which is the complete wrong approach. LinkedIn is an essential necessity because this is one platform where you can easily land a job, because a lot of urgent positions are usually posted on LinkedIn before they even get to the website. So if you are not active on LinkedIn, if it's not well structured in the right way, there is no way you'll get feedback. Or you get feedback, but you see people just viewing your profile, but they never get to contact you. And another thing, the fact that also a lot of LinkedIn users are not using the premium account, you won't even get to see what, maybe if it was even an organization that was your dream job, a recruiter from that organization even viewed your profile, but you don't know it. Sometimes it even gives suggestions telling you recruiter X is hiring for a position in line with what you've done. So LinkedIn is an essential necessity, and it also has to be packaged in the right way, having catchy keywords, having catchy headlines, because LinkedIn also is about keywords. Because as a recruiter, if I input keywords relevant to a specific profession, names of people who've done that will also appear. But what will prompt me to get to that profile is how well it's structured, because the headline alone will speak on itself. Because here, if we're talking about project manager, we don't just say project manager and leave it at that. An experienced project manager, an expert project manager. Because that already you're informing the recruiter, this is actually an expert in their field. This is someone who might possibly exceed my expectations. Let me have a glance at their LinkedIn. So LinkedIn, that's the first one. Point number 2, utilizing job portals. Now, this is a necessity because a lot of people usually work with the assumption of, if I just put my CV in an organization's database and then they'll select me. It doesn't work like that. You have to work for it. You have to search for these jobs. And a lot of job websites are out there posting job opportunities. A good example is our organization. We post various opportunities on a day-to-day basis. Opportunities from various industries, be it fintech, manufacturing sectors, NGO setups. We have it all. So it's all a matter of you having a look at them. You can even subscribe, because the moment you subscribe, you also get job alerts in line to your specific profession. So don't just sit back and say, I'll be connected with so-and-so and then I'll get a job. I'll be connected with so-and-so and get a government job. No, you have to look at the job sites. See what they're posting. See the skills that they're looking for, the requirements that they're looking for. So don't be that kind of person who is just comfortable where they are. You have to search for these opportunities. And there are a lot of platforms that provide job opportunities. Even remote jobs are available. Point number 3, seek professional help. Now, a lot of people tend to overlook this because of the introduction of the AI. But there are adverts that will indicate any application that's AI generated will be a complete disqualification. Now, when professional CV writers look into it, we give it that humanized touch that these recruiters are looking for, instead of you going and generating it from AI, because it will easily get disqualified. Because a lot of recruiters have realized a lot of people are using the AI approach, which is the complete wrong approach. So as professional CV writers, we're able to fully articulate your information in the right way so that it increases your chances. We're able to even ensure your CV is ATS compliant. We're able to ensure the right skill set for the right industry, the right convincing language to give you that interview. Because there's no shortcut. The goal of you getting to that interview is having a well-structured CV. Point number 4, tailoring your applications. So don't send a one-size-fits-all CV because of laziness, or maybe you're like, I don't have time to do this. No. Every time you are sending an application, go back to the advert. What is the advert looking for? What skills are they looking for? What professional courses are they looking for? What are the educational requirements? Everything has to be in sync. Because if you just send it in a vague way, you'll find yourself attracting the wrong kinds of opportunities, or you find yourself changing your field of work, you find yourself handling a completely different profession altogether. Reason being, failure to tailor it to meet the right criteria of what these recruiters are looking into. So always tailor-make your CV to suit. Ensure it matches 90%, not even 50, 90%. Because when you give them 90%, you're giving them no reason to disqualify you. Point number 5 is continuous learning and upskilling. So this is very essential because you find there's some job adverts that will indicate you must have done a professional course in monitoring and evaluation, project management. So when you send that application and you don't have that certification, you might meet all the other requirements, but missing out on a certification makes you lose that interview opportunity. So always, because learning is it's continuous, it never ends. So you lose nothing by developing yourself professionally by having a specific professional course related to what you've done. So to conclude, implementing these smart job strategies will increase your chances of being hired. Because at the end of the day, the goal of having your CV reviewed by a recruiter is for you to get to the next stage, which is the interview stage. So if it's not well structured, you'll find yourself, it's as though you're sending applications and you never get called in by company X, yet the approach you're using is the complete wrong one. Seeking professional help as well works a long way, and we're here, the professional CV writers. You can send us your CV, we have a look at it. We usually get to tailor your CV to suit the specifications. We even work on LinkedIn profiles. So try us today. You can check out the link below and we'll be able to further assist. Thank you.